In this video, we are going to be looking at the options table and the functionalities which are open to us via this table to all of us as traders. Now, you get the options table right below the market profile charts, and it's the second option on the menu towards the left of your screen. You will be getting a chart like this, and we'll go over the features of what is available at the very top in a subsequent video, but I just wanted to cover ground on how best to read this options table. So you start in the middle where the strike is, and you move left for your calls and right for your puts. And the columns which are available are your change LTP, the VPOC, VWAP, volume, IV, the DOI, and the price and time of the maximum OI, etc. And the same thing you would get on the right as a mirror image. So you get change, you get VPOC, volume, IV, DOI, price maximum, and we'll cover this C spikes, straddles, etc., pain, etc. in a subsequent video. Now what you can get via this options table is you get this all this information, but one thing you need to do is you have to quickly go and in your user settings, come down to the section where OI and volume data is, and make a choice between contracts and total value. Okay, the total value would be the number of shares, and you would be getting an open interest number on most days, which is going to give you that quantity in lakhs. So you'll get a 5 lakh, 10 lakh kind of 50 lakh, 1 crore, kind of a number if you choose total value. On the other hand, if you choose contracts, you get to see exactly the value in terms of the number of contracts. So you may get a figure of up to about 300,000, 400,000, but nothing in crores, etc., because the calculation is in terms of contracts, right? And there are other settings over here which are for other things, but make sure that you get this right when you're looking at the options table. Back to the options table. So what you can quickly do is, if you want to go deeper and understand what the charts are, then there are these boxes, rectangular boxes, which you can click, and you can quickly open up some charts over here. So suppose I want to look at the 18,800 call. I have an option to view that in market profile, which is what I get by clicking on this link, and I would be getting the market profile chart opened up, right? And if I want to look at what has happened in a line chart, then I can have this 18,800 line chart also opened up over here, right? So this would be your open interest in blue. Then you get a VWAP. If you don't want VWAP, just click on this particular section. Then VPOC also is available over here, and you can do it for the last 6 days also, the last 5 days of the series, and one additional day of that Thursday. You can have it for these last 5 days, and you would see the open interest, etc., building up over time. Now this particular section over here at the bottom is the OI spike, and whenever there is a spike, you will see a corresponding rise in the open interest. The larger the bars over here, the bigger would be the rise in open interest across the table. And the OI chart has this blue, the section in blue. If it starts dropping, that means the OI is coming off in that instrument. So this is what you get directly off by clicking any of these two links. You also get to see a straddle chart, which you can do over here. So you'll get the 18,800 straddle, or whatever you choose. You can get a straddle. You can also get a line chart of that particular strike, particular straddle which you choose. So the 18,800p, the 18,800c, and this is the open interest of the entire strike netted. So you can again have the option of seeing it by 5 days or 6 days, or whichever days you would get. So you can go directly from here and utilize these charts. You can see a strangle also if you want. So suppose I want to see the 18,800 call, and I want to see the 18,700 put. So I go on the put side and I pick up the put, the 18,800 on the call side, and I'll have an option over here, 18,700p, 18,800c. I just click on open chart, and I get to see the strangle open up over here. If I want to see the same triangle as a line chart, then I go at the bottom right and I click on the line chart option, and I can get the 18,700p, 18,800c as a line chart also for any number of days. I can do again the last 4 days also over here. So these are the options, okay, which are available. I would urge you to go and explore all of them. We'll come back, okay, through another video, and I'll talk to you, okay, about what are the important references to hold for the rest of these columns.